In this episode, we take a close look at the dashboard in the new Transit Custom and Tourneo Custom plug-in hybrid vehicle. The traditional rev counter has been replaced with a power meter. This power meter will clearly show how much energy you are recuperating when you're either in L mode or normal braking regeneration. So what power you are putting back into the battery. And it will also show you how much power you're using under acceleration as well. So help keeping you fully in control of how much power you are using or saving in your plug-in hybrid vehicle. When you first start the vehicle, you'll notice that needle will go up into the ready position. This ready position means that the vehicle will start in electric mode and then engage the engine when the battery gets below the optimal level. You can see how much battery that you are using on the right hand side of the dial as it indicates in kilowatt hours. The other great feature on this same display is that when you are getting braking regeneration, either through L mode or some of the other ways that you can store energy in the vehicle, this will show up by the needle going into the green zone. This will certainly help when you are moderating your braking and making the most of the braking regeneration system in this PHEV vehicle. To learn more about the braking regeneration and in particular the L mode, please look out for that video later on in this series. The other aspects of the dashboard are quite simply two fuel gauges. The one on the left indicates how much charge is in the battery, as shown on this image, and the one on the right will show you how much petrol you have in the EcoBoost engine. Both figures are shown on the dashboard to show you the total range that the vehicle can do as a combination between the electric and the petrol mode. If you want to have the range even clearer, you can simply go through the standard menu system in the middle of your instrument cluster. So you'll see the new option which will show you the range that you can do in electric, and it will also show you the range you can do on petrol alone, therefore ensuring that whoever drives this vehicle knows exactly how far they can go using which source of energy to power the vehicle forward. Thank you for watching this video all about the new Transit Custom and Tourneo Custom PHEV. Be sure to check out some of the other videos in the series and we'll see you all again really soon.